inside, you know be everybody sabi dance. So I they do this song to teach you the basic step.
Bas. Yo guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. Yeah, basically guys, I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys to enjoy, to learn, to flow, to go with the flow. Guys, so basically this dance we're doing today is a one-leg dance. I don't know why this uncalled trend come back again. Literally guys, one leg. You gonna do the dance floor. Not everybody sabi. One leg, that's basically. Now the first step of this challenge. So if you don't like this channel, kindly subscribe to this video. I said this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends and families, guys. Comment in the comment section what you think about this dance tutorial, guys. Did you learn? Which step do you want to learn? Let me know in the comment section. Yada. So basically the first step in this tutorial is not everybody's happy dance. So basically we'll be singing the lyrics partially and doing the dance. This time it will be a fast tutorial, so if you want a slow one, so let me know in the comment section. So basically, so guys, now we'll be singing and be dancing together. So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Not everybody's happy dance. You see that's lines. Not everybody's happy dance. I think not everybody's happy dance. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Not everybody's happy dance. I think not everybody's happy. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you kick. So let's go from start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not everybody's happy dance. So I do this step. So you kick, you drop, like you kick. 1, 2. Not everybody's happy dance. Kick, draw, 2. I think guys. So it's kick. It's kick, 1, 2. So it's, let me just do also that so I can get the concept. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me everybody's happy that. This is the fast. Let's do it slowly, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe everybody's happy that. So when you get this now, give me the latest step. Thank you. The steps are normal. We're gonna do it. So just follow me, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me everybody sabi dance. So when you do this step, drop me the latest. Just get to this point first. Let me start again. 1, 2, 3, go. Just go. Not be everybody sabi dance. So when you do this step, drop me the latest step. So once you do, you kick 1, 2, you do this style. Like you want to throw ball. No. Tie your leg forward to the back, please. That's it. Drop, kick. You should be getting me right now, guys. You should be getting me. Like literally, should be getting me, guys. So just 5 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not be everybody sabi dance. Okay. So you could do this step. Get me the latest step. So guys, after you do 1, hit. Make sure do this. 1, 2, 3. You hit. 1, 2, 3. Then you jump forward. 1, 2, 3. Just watch. 5, just still go man. Just watch this step. It's a little longer, but you're gonna get it, guys. Let's go from the start. 5 up to this point I'm teaching right now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not be everybody's happy dance. Can you get this down? Give me the latest step. Okay. I see. What you do? Okay. Back. Then you bounce. Once you bounce, do 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, up. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not be everybody sabi dance. Kick, run, 2, shoot, big, back, bounce, 1, 2, 3, drop. Five. Let me start again. Let's go together, guys. Let me start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me everybody sabi dance. That's dance, guys, basically. So up to this point, if you can get it up to this point, you are literally halfway there, guys. You are literally halfway there. Yes. Tell you from someone else learned dance yesterday. Yesterday. Basically learned this one yesterday. So still on dance yesterday. If you can do this step, you are literally halfway there. Now let's do one more time from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me everybody sabi dance. Show you this dance. Give me the latest step. Okay. Bounce. 1, 2, 3, go. If I'm too fast, let me know in the comment section, guys. If I'm too fast, let me know in the comment section so that we can make it slow for you guys. I'll do another tutorial for you guys and I'll make it slower this time around. So let's go from the start again. Now, how you clap? You're going to move your leg. So once you clap, the basic you're doing is then 1, 2, 1. And yeah, move your leg like this. Bounce like this. Bounce one leg again. Bounce. Once here, move one leg like this. Move one leg like this. Bounce like this. Bounce one leg again. Bounce. Basically, guys, that's just it. So if you move one leg, throw one leg forward. Move second leg, throw your leg forward. Damn. This light's into my eye, like that's fucking into my eyes, guys. So basically, that's the step up to that one. It gets like down. So I'm doing it from the start one more time. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me everybody start it dancing. Please dance. Give me the latest step. I can't. Move on down. Can't put the break in. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. Move one leg like this. Bounce like this. Bounce one leg like this. Bounce second like this. So once you do this, I have to do this on freestyle. I ain't doing no tutorial from here, guys. I want you guys to just freestyle basically, because the dance from here is just, well, I say it's people. Some people don't the same style, but me, as you know, guys, I'm unique in my own way. So I'll just give you guys to freestyle from here on. We can do the dance up to that one leg part, then up to this extent. Then from there, it's all yours. It's literally all yours. So party. Yeah, in case you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe for me, guys. Like this video, share with your friends. Comment what you think in the comment section. Which dance tutorial you want to see next? Let me know. Again, from there, it's all up to you. So let's do dance one more for the starting, guys. From the first step, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me everybody start it dancing. Do this dance. Give me the latest step. Back. Better dance. Let's go. Move one leg like this. Dance like this. Get dance. Get dance. Get 1, 2, 1, 2. From there, freestyle. I ain't gonna teach much from there, guys. From there, you literally gotta freestyle. This step, it's up to you. I ain't doing more step from there, guys. It's up to you. So in case you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below. I don't want this video to be too long. Now I know they reach 10 minutes. I don't want it to be too long, guys. So subscribe down for me, guys. Like this video, share it to your friends. Okay, for those of you that are still finding it difficult to get it down, literally, it's difficult. So just let me know in the comment section. I'll do it one more time for you guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe everybody sabi dance. Can they do this dance? Give me the latest step. 1, 2, 3. One leg like this. bounce, get, bounce, get, so that's usual, guys. In case you like this video, subscribe, like the video, share. Don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.